Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on mass importing models and materials into the pCon.catalog editor. With this method, you'll be perfectly equipped to create new product catalogs and quickly and efficiently upload large amounts of data. It's important to note that the mass import function is intended exclusively for creating new data. Existing catalog entries cannot be edited using this method. In this video, you'll learn how to prepare your data, execute the import, and process the results. To ensure a smooth import process, proper preparation is essential. First, organize your files into a clear and logical folder structure on your computer. This will help you maintain an overview, even with large projects. You can also import folders that include subfolders. Models can be uploaded in various CAD formats, such as DWG, 3ds, OBJ, SKP, and others. For materials, upload MATS files. Images should ideally be provided in JPEG or PNG format. The key point is the naming of your files. It's important to know that the file name you assign will be used as the title for the entry in the catalog. Let's prepare a folder structure together. First, we define the file name. To upload product images, give the images the same file name as the model, including an _1, 2, 3, and so on, depending on how many images you want to upload for the model. The images are then inserted in this order directly into the catalog entry for the model or material as preview images. Here's a summary of the file naming conventions. It's crucial that the file names match exactly, including capitalization. It's also possible to import multiple CAD formats for a single model, such as a DWG file, a 3ds file, and an SKP file. Again, the file names must match exactly so that the files are assigned to the same model. Once your folder structure is filled with all the files you want to upload, you can proceed to the next step. The actual import process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. If your catalog is empty, you can start the import via the small arrow in the center of the screen. Click the drop-down button next to Create a new model and select From Disk. If there are already elements in your catalog, you'll find the import function in the same drop-down menu at the top left. Select the folder where your prepared models or materials are stored. Click Upload. In some browsers, you may be prompted to confirm the upload. Simply click Upload again. The upload will begin, and a progress window will appear, showing you the status of the import. Once everything is uploaded, you'll receive a confirmation message. Afterward, you'll see the newly imported elements in the catalog. All freshly imported entries will be marked, making post-processing easier. You can sort the selected items directly into collections, product families, or categories using bulk operations. All newly imported elements are initially set to draft mode, which is indicated by the yellow symbol under Status. This means you must manually publish them before they become visible in the live catalog. If needed, you can do this with just a click on Publish. If you've uploaded images alongside the models and materials, you'll see that the first image is automatically displayed as a preview. If no images were included during the upload, the elements will be created without a preview. You can then click into the model or material to manually add images, rearrange preview images, or make adjustments based on how you want your catalog to look. That was our tutorial on mass importing models or materials into the pCon.catalog editor. You've seen how easy and efficient the process is, from preparation to import and post-processing. If you'd like to learn more about editing titles and descriptions in your catalog, make sure to watch our next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.